we are now in our seat. So this is my seat. Ito yung seat na may walang tao. Tapos si daddy nandyan siya. Ang layo namin dalawa. So the flight attendant told me that maybe we can move later, so we'll just have to wait. Sa ano nila advice kasi yan. We'll just have to wait, guys. So nandito na kami sa plane. Dahil yan na yung airport. Andyan, yan. Gabi na. Maraming tao ang pumapasok si daddy nandyan sa kanya. Sa big plane. May TV sila, guys. Dalawa. Sa seat. Ayan, dalawa. Ayan. Ayan. So dito na kami. Wala siya sa buhay niya. This one is the seat anyway. So the people who sit at the back is also sit other way around. The guy. But maybe they don't know. Si daddy, guys, nanonood ng movie. Ang movie niya is, oh yeah, robot. Ape robot. Oh, something. Concentrate siya agad. Concentrate siya, guys. With your bread. Where to buy this? Ito, guys, dried pineapple. It's very nice. Cebu best. Hanapin ko to, guys, pagbalik natin ulit sa Pilipinas. We have to buy it. Tapos another one. Is this good? This one is milk chocolate. Cacao nibs. Ito. Try natin. Ew. Yummy. There's two of them. It's two. We got two of that one. Ta-da! Daddy. Daddy, stay behind. Okay, Daddy. Ito guys, so hotel na kami. Ayan. That's the hotel. That's the reception area. And then there's up there and my restaurants. Yeah. So, ayan guys. Andito na kami sa Sydney. Dito na kami sa hotel na tinitira namin. This is just in front of the Central Station, which is really good. Across the road lang siya guys. Pag hindi lang mabigat yung dala mo, carry na siya guys. Just bring your stuff to the train station. Okay na siya. So it's really good. Kung mabigat, medyo may kalayuan, siguro mga 5 minutes walk. Yun na. Pero kung wala kang bit-bit, it's okay. And then ang kaharap niya guys, may tram. Dad, no, there is a tram in the front?
Yeah.
Yeah, ang ganda guys. Tapos, nasa ano ka na, parang nasa CBD na to, Dad, no? Oh, CBD na siya ng Sydney. So, it's really good. Bukas na yung trip namin. Mag-train kami at saka bus. So, ayan. But for now, nagpahinga muna kami kasi 2 o'clock pa yung open ng ano nila, ng check-in. Tapos 11 pa lang. So, 12, 1 to mga 3 hours. Upo muna kami dito ni Daddy kasi pag mamasyal kami later, very tiring na naman. Later na kami mamasyal sa hapon. Mag-dinner, tapos para clean up muna kami, mag-dinner, and then makatulog ng maayos, and then ayun, hindi na tayo perwisyo, you know, kasi yun ang gagawin natin. So, carry lang siya. Ang trip namin, okay naman yung trip sa plane from Manila to Sydney. Okay naman guys, kaya lang nakakapagod talaga siya na hindi ka masyado makapagpahinga. So, ang upuan namin ni Daddy, it's sort of a wrong spot, Daddy, no? You cannot lean on the window. It's better the window seat, no? But Daddy could not lean on the window because there's no window guys. Sa gitna kami. Kaya hiwalay pa yung upuan namin, pero lumipat kami. So, sabi ng babae sa Silay Airport, magkatabi daw kami. Anong magkatabi? Nasa ibang aisle siya, ang layo niya. Sabi ko, hindi marunong tong babae siguro mag-sit. Iba kasi yung setting ng international. Dad, no? The setting of international is away from each other. 2 and then 5 in the middle. So hindi niya, maybe she doesn't know that. Kaya nagkahiwalay-hiwalay tuloy. Yung ibang couple, ganun din, nagre-reklamo sila. But anyway, yun, ganun.
So the buses, they're electric buses.
Electric buses.
That one there, that blue one, got really cool, but electric.
Ah,
Electric.
si Daddy, Macau. He's gonna have lunch at 1 o'clock. Actually, it's 10:21 in Philippines. This my watch is this thing.
So they'll be at school, what's that? It's at his school.
Oh. So we've just wake up actually. I like waking up late. Daddy always have the knife and fork.
The Australian elephant.
Ito guys, knife and fork siya. Sa Pilipinas guys, wala.
How many chips and salad?
Wala siyang knife sa Pilipinas. Kain! We have a fork and a knife. Talagay siya sa kain guys. Makita ang pinakain ko. But anyway, it's there.
I'm going to leave one for this.
Hi. You don't need to eat much tonight then. Just a drink or ice cream.
There's a motor up there. Big motor.
So this is the Central Railway.
So tomorrow we're just going to walk
We
across
just
here,
walk here.
and then go straight to the top platform. That's it.
Yeah.
'Cause that's
We
the
don't
shop.
have to get to the top platform. It's a level platform here.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Road level, yeah. Ah. So we walk that way. That's what we can do. Oh. Sydney City Kebab. I wonder what's down there.
Have a look.
Hala.
Have to walk 10 minutes.
Have a look. I'm filming. Good is
That's the
What is
platform.
this? The tap tap?
Tap, tap.
Tap on tap. Para guys, tap on tap payment. I-tap mo lang yung card mo. Dito ang hotel namin guys. Yan, hotel namin yan sa loob. Yan siya. Aha, aha, aha.
Still having that in there.
And then ito naman ang supermarket.
Yeah. Yeah, supermarket.
Supermarket. Not Asian. Aha, aha. Oh yeah. Drinks and all. And Sydney City Kebab. You can smell the kebab. Very nice. The backpackers. Ayan guys, the backpackers.
There's a tap push right there. I hate the push bikes over here.
Ah, yeah.
Oh, there's a
That's
few
where they park their push bike, guys. Na nirerentahan. Hello Ride. Yan. It's got a you go down there, it's another road. And this is the push bike that they're renting. Oh, that come from somewhere. That's the tram
circular key. You can
that
see.
I was telling April what it looked like. So this is the one. Ayan ang tram. May ano siya, oh, may ano siya sa taas. Kuryente niya yan yung sa taas. It's getting electricity from the top. Ayun, may isang tram sa tabi. Yan, and then naalis siya. That's siya. Yan siya guys, ang tap-tap. Oh, I'm so full. Kebab shop. Yan. Nag-film sila. It's a bar. Ayan na, it's going. Bye. Bye guys. Yan si daddy. Yan ang mga chocolates. Streets ice cream.
I'll get a water.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.